In this video, we will demonstrate an example of how to install a rear-facing infant carrier car seat base using a lap and shoulder vehicle seatbelt. Remember, you need to always review your car seat manual and the car seat section of your vehicle manual before you begin. Also, before you begin, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, level surface. This will ensure that you recline the seat at a proper angle to keep baby's airway open. Okay, step 1. Place the car seat base in the back seat of your vehicle. You may see an angled adjustment foot towards the back of the seat that may need to be raised or lowered. To know you have the base in the correct position, you'll look for an angle adjustment indicator, which may look like a liquid level, a ball bearing, a marked line, or even a floating red-green indicator on the side of the base. You'll check the angle again when you're done installing the base. Step 2. Feed the seatbelt through the belt path indicated on the car seat base going towards the belt buckle. Give yourself enough slack with the seatbelt as you feed it through the belt path to easily buckle it. You may see built-in lock-offs, which will come into play in a few steps from now. Step 3, simply buckle the seatbelt. Step 4, lock the seatbelt. This is a vital step in ensuring the base is secure in the seat of the car. In most vehicles, you can do this by pulling the full length of the seatbelt webbing out slowly until you hear a click. Then, you slowly feed the seatbelt back into the retractor mechanism. It will then lock at a fixed length. Step 5. Once the seatbelt is locked, it's time to tighten. Place your hand in the bottom of the base to push it towards the seat bite. Yes, I said bite. That's the name for the crease of the seat. As you push down on the base, pull up the shoulder belt, slowly feeding the belt back into that retractor mechanism until you reach the desired tightness. With this seat, we can also lock the belt using the built-in lock-off that I mentioned before. While all seats in the US are held to the same safety standards, they all have different features. So be sure to check your car seat manual to see if your seat incorporates built-in lock-offs and for information about when and how to use it. Step 6, the inch test. Check that the car seat base is properly installed by tugging on the base, front to back and side to side. The base shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. Please know, it's normal for the seat to move a bit at the side away from the belt path. Step 7, check the recline. Double check that the base is installed at the proper recline angle by looking at that angle adjuster on the side. It will show you if it's in the right spot. Step 8, place the carrier seat in the base. Once you're sure the base is securely installed, you can click the infant carrier part of the seat into the base. You'll want to wiggle the seat again to ensure it's securely locked into the base. Follow the images on the seat labels or your car seat manual to know whether you should keep the carrier handles up, folded back, or down while riding in the vehicle. Once you get your baby properly secured in the seat, you're ready to ride.